How you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Guess who they called for?
He was up here, he came in, he was filming everything, and he was told,
I told you they know who I am.
Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of KWire News, I'm covering a video from the YouTube channel Big Nick South Florida Accountability. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this type of content, and you'd like to see more content like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Today's video took place on February 11, 2022. In Broward County, Florida. The auditor in today's video was doing a First Amendment audit at the Broward County School Board building. After walking through the public areas of the building and not entering any restricted areas, the Feelings Police were called on Big Nick. As you can expect, Big Nick did not back down, and refused to have his rights trampled on. Now let's jump right into this video and see what happened when the Feelings Police showed up.
Don't say I was putting it in nobody's face, because I didn't. Please advise her about the ramifications of making a false police report, because it's all on camera.
It's this guy called Big Nick. He does videos on YouTube, and he's just causing a disturbance.
I'm causing the disturbance? That's your narrative? Okay. Wow. This ain't right, bro. This ain't right, man. And her right there, she's the main one. She's the main one. You see I know my boundaries? You see I ain't go past that gate right there? You see I ain't go past that right there? I know my boundaries, bro. I do this.
Listen.
And I'm going to continue to do it.
Listen.
There's no listen.
No listen.
Okay,
So
well, I'm
you
sorry.
want me to talk?
I apologize. You're right. I'm just a little hype right now. Because they wrong and they lying right
Hold
now.
on. I don't know anything. I came up here to talk.
Okay.
You've been doing all the talking. You ain't
Right.
listening to nobody. You don't want to hear what nobody got to say.
Because I don't want you to hear the narrative, brother.
You don't know what I'm having.
Okay, go ahead.
You got to understand. I'm the supervisor. I get a phone call. I have to see what's going on.
Right.
I asked you twice to come over here and talk. You didn't want to come talk to me.
Because
see?
You don't want to do it on camera. Because I want to do it on camera. Okay.
Listen, while
And
we're
it's not
talking,
in your face. Look what it
can you
says.
listen to me, man? While we're talking, you got to understand. We got an audience. You understand what I'm saying?
I didn't create it.
Okay, when I tell you to come over here and talk, you stood right there.
You say when you tell me, bro, or when you ask me to
When
do
I
something?
ask you.
Okay, there you go. See,
When I
words
ask you.
matter. That's why
When
I'm
I
being
ask you.
defiant.
Okay, you're being defiant. I'm
Because
trying to
your words, you have to use the right
What
words.
word did I use?
I don't work
that
for
was
you.
deemed wrong.
I don't work for you. You
No, I
don't
know you
tell
don't
me
work
what
for
to
me.
do.
I know you don't.
You don't tell me what to do.
And man, you can't come in telling us. What
Absolutely, I'm a taxpayer.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
yeah,
I
but you
can.
can't come in here and
Absolutely, I
harass.
can. You see, the cop ain't saying nothing.
Okay, well, she's still talking right now.
Right.
I don't know the full story,
Okay.
but
What's your name and your badge number?
My name is Officer Mello. My badge number is 2061.
And are you here to defend my constitutional rights?
She can have privacy when she's talking.
No, absolutely not. You got to go create that privacy. You got to go somewhere in a private area.
That's fine. Let's go inside my car.
Now I know he coming to defend my constitutional rights. I know you are. What's going on?
Talk to me inside of my car.
Public place, right? Public building, right?
This says, yeah, the school
Public
board.
access, right?
The school board.
And I have a right as a member of the press to come into all public areas and record, right?
What happened exactly? I don't know what's going on. I just got called here.
You know what? Because he seems like, what's your name and your badge number?
Officer Revolt, 2065.
All right, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to stop this and I'm going to let him see the beginning of the recording. One moment. What you're telling me, but I might be trespassing and use that to get me to leave. Right now, what you're doing is on the verge of stopping me from exercising the First Amendment right. Now, by you doing that in the under the color of law, makes you liable. Your qualified immunity will be subject.
So I'm not stopping you from doing anything. I'm just gonna speak to
They don't want you on the property, man.
It don't matter. Well,
If you go on the property, you will be arrested.
I'm on the property now, brother.
If you go inside, you will be arrested.
Okay, I need your name and your badge number.
1990, officer is here.
Officer who?
This here.
All
This
right.
right here. I'm gonna talk to them.
I need a supervisor here too. I need a supervisor here. Can I get a supervisor?
You know what?
Can I get a supervisor? I ain't here for you, brother. I'm here for taxpayers. I ain't here for you, my brother. I need a supervisor.
Supervisor's not coming out, sir.
Why not? I'm asking for a supervisor.
Supervisor for what?
Because I'm asking for a supervisor.
For what? I need to tell them why you need
Because
it for.
you just threatened me with arrest for
I
not breaking
threatened
the
you.
law.
I say that you cannot go inside. They don't
Why
want you
not?
inside, sir.
Why?
You scared the young lady that you was trying to open up the door.
I can show you. She don't have a right to prevent the public from
Sir,
coming
she works
inside
here.
places.
So the
What
manager
does that
over there-
mean?
Okay.
They made that decision, sir. It's a clear
Okay, I
sign
need a
that says
supervisor. I'm
trespass.
asking you because he's unreasonable.
For
He's
what
unreasonable
reason? He asked you for what reason?
because he threatened me with
It's not a
arrest.
threat, it's literally
Okay,
on the
well, I
door.
want a supervisor. I'm asking for a supervisor and I have that right. Please don't. I don't want to go down and file a complaint.
Behind it.
You went out to the station.
Man, I ain't talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
Why you give me a middle finger for?
Because you acting like you deserve a middle finger.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Well, we're not calling supervisor.
That's why.
All
If you
right.
want to get a
Okay.
supervisor,
How
go to
about that?
1300 West Broward. They'll gladly
I know
help
where
you.
it is.
Exactly where it's at.
I know where it
There's a
is.
clear sign that says no
I know where it is, but
trespassing.
you wrong, man.
I'm not wrong.
You are wrong.
Right, sir.
You are wrong.
No, I'm not, sir.
You are wrong. That's why I exposed you clowns.
Okay.
And you ain't take control and it was your scene.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I know. I got enough.
So,
I got enough. You will be on YouTube. You will be on YouTube. And you will. What you looking at, bruh? What you looking at?
so anyways, he's just pressing the property. He's no longer trying to get inside.
I'm not trespassing.
Who are you?
I am not trespassing this
Yes, you
property.
are.
I will see. We'll see.
Go ahead.
We'll see. I got you on camera saying that. We'll see. Why you sizing me like that, bruh? You can't whoop me.
Alright, good job, good.
You sizing me like that. I'm just out here trying to fight for everybody. And you out here sizing me because it's y'all against us. Look how you sizing me, looking me up and down. That ain't right. You was very respectable at first, man. Now you gonna back this clown up, man. You gonna back this clown up. That's not what's right. And I'm asking for a supervisor. I'm asking for a supervisor on scene. Let me tell you something. I've had meetings with former IA Chief Sergeant Bozzi. I know your chief. I know everybody there. These people work with me. I know what I'm doing is right. You're wrong. And by denying me the opportunity to speak with a supervisor so your behavior can be corrected, it just shows my audience and me that you guys have something to hide because you know you're wrong.
Internal affairs right over here. It can give
I know where it is.
Oh, perfect.
I know where it is. I know everything about that. I'm asking you guys to call me a
They're not coming
supervisor.
out here for that.
How do you know?
They're not.
You're refusing to
I'm
call.
not refusing.
You are refusing.
I'm not.
Just tell them I'm requesting a supervisor.
You can go to 1300 West Broward.
I know where I can go, but I'm
All those
requesting.
names that you just mentioned, call them up.
All right,
Everything's
I will
good.
do it. I will hold y'all on notice too.
You do that.
I'm gonna let you know right now. Right now. You want to lock me up so bad, but I ain't gonna give you a reason to.
I don't want to lock you
Yes,
up,
you
sir.
do. Yes,
Why?
you do. Yes, you do.
Why would I want to do that?
Because you're that type of cop.
I'm not.
He's definitely not, bro.
Trust me, I'm not.
Trying to
You
do the
are.
right thing at all times.
Then give me a supervisor here.
You got your phone.
I'm
right
asking
there.
you
Phone.
for a
You
supervisor.
got a phone.
I'm asking you for a. I'm not talking to you.
I am talking to you.
You name all these people, so call them. They're not coming out here for you being trespassed. They're not coming out here for that.
I'm not trespass. I'm not
Yes, you
signing
are. You're
nothing.
not- you cannot
How I'm
go outside.
trespass? How I'm
I'm
trespass?
telling you are trespassing.
Okay, well I'm telling you I'm not.
Okay.
I'm actually going to do a report and I'm going to
Yeah.
First time to
We'll
trespassing.
do it for you.
Y'all just open yourself up to a civil rights violation. First Amendment. Are you recording? Is your body cam on?
That is our policy, sir. Every time we're on
your
the
body
call,
cam
our
on?
camera is on every single time. You can always go and get the video camera
Hello?
as well too, if you want to get the footage.
public information. It's public record.
Stop talking, man. I know this.
So why you
You're not dealing with an idiot. I'm asking if it's on.
I told you yes.
But sometimes y'all turn them off. Y'all don't want to turn them on.
Cannot
All
do
this
that.
here happens a lot.
It
It
is
happens a lot.
policy for
It
us.
happens a lot. It happens a lot. Y'all do a lot of stuff y'all not supposed to do, like mistake your taser for a gun. You know
When did
how that
Fulani do
happens?
that?
Cops do that. Cops do that.
You just have to let him know that he's not allowed to property. You guys have the authority to do so.
Sir, just so you know, walk away.
That's okay. He can hear you.
The camera can hear me.
Yeah.
You're officially trespassing.
I'm not officially trespassing.
trespassing.
We'll see about that.
You cannot come back
We'll
to
see.
the-
We'll see.
Cannot come back to
I
the-
guarantee you I'll be able to come back here.
Yeah, it's on camera. That's
I guarantee you I'll be able to come back here.
Good, man. It's on full cameras.
I guarantee you I'll be able to come back here. I guarantee you I'll be able to come back here. I guarantee you that. Bet your job that I'll be back here when I get done. Bet your job. Refusing to call me a supervisor. Refusing to call a supervisor. For what?
Well YouTube, I hoped you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to go over to Big Nick's South Florida Accountability YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.